Suspected shooter in Trelawny killing surrenders to police. People, welcome back to YaadAndAbroadTV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey says the suspect, who is believed to be the triggerman in yesterday's shooting of 51-year-old Andrea Lowe Garwood, is now in police custody. Bailey said he turned himself into the police with his attorney moments ago. So him turn himself in with his attorney. What my attorney I gotta do? Decide how much years him forget death penalty. Me say no. Lowe Garwood was in a worship session at her church when a man posing as a member of the congregation shot her several times before escaping in a motor car. She was taken to hospital where she was pronounced dead, people. So as you heard in the article, people, this story shocked Jamaicans yard and abroad, people. Like the gruesome killing of Miss Garwood in church, people. Like yesterday, we was so numb. We couldn't believe this actually happened and took place in church. So it goes on to say the DCP also confirmed that the murder was in relation to a family dispute and said one of the individuals now in custody is a family member. Telling about family, you know, people. Telling about family. Jano. He was speaking at a Jamaica Constabulary Force digital press briefing today. Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson also warned the public against contract killings in family disputes during the briefing. Even if you are disposed to do that, contract killing, the likelihood of you getting away with it is quite low. In all of these cases, we have persons in custody. These cases have been solved. There may be 1 or 2 people we are still after, but largely, you will not get away with it. So the property that you think you are going to benefit from by organizing the assassination of family members, of persons close to you, or doing it yourself, that you think you're going to do this and enjoy the fruits of that, it is very unlikely. That's what the commissioner said, people. But may I tell you, people, as I said in my previous videos, when it comes to house and land, and you have family members involved in a war with you and talk about this belongs to them, and because daddy say you're supposed to get that, or husband supposed to get that, walk away from it. May I tell you, people, walk away from it. Because you have some people out there willing to go the extra miles, you know, people. May I tell you, willing to go above and beyond to get you out of the picture. If that means killing you, they are willing to do it. And we have seen numerous of these killings in Jamaica, people. These contract killings. Because think about it, people. This man never go into the church and just start shoot random, you know. He was in the church because he had a target. He had a specific person that he was there for. So him kill this one person and cut. Me I tell you family, me I tell you people, family. They will do your dirty, people, if you watch your back. And as me say, if you have to look over your shoulder every minute that you think something is going to happen to you or something might happen to you, and you was getting death threat before all of this, just walk away from it, because I tell you, it worth your life. It don't worth your life, me I tell you. Material things, worth your life. Walk away from it. And the sad reality about it, it happens, as I said before, it happens very often in Jamaica and in society, people, where family member will set people for murder you. It's just sad, Janu. But as me say, people, remember all the voice note that was going around and saying that some house and land, and see the police them confirm that it was about some house, like, Janu, material things, material things. As me say, people, I'm going to tell you again, if a family member of yours pass and you are responsible for majority of that person's belongings, house, land, car, whatever, material things, and you have other family members at war with you who forget what, leave it alone. Make them sort it out. Make them figure out who forget what. make them kill off each other. You just walk out of it. It might be hard, but trust me, sometimes that's the best choice you can ever make when it comes to your life. Material things, you can always get that back, but your life, you cannot get that back. All right, people? So once again, a suspect turned himself, the trigger man, turned himself into police with his lawyer. Don't know what the lawyer for, cause Jano, him should have get shot and killed same time right there, so people. You see me? That's how me feel. Yeah, people, let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this, and when it comes to regarding family members and family issues. Let me know in the comment section, people. Walk away or stay. What you not gonna do? Let me know, people, alright? Much love and appreciation.
DCP Bailey?
Let me say, the statistics that is presented, I want to make a comment in relation to something that was said by the commissioner before you make. Let me take off my mask. In relation to the matter in Trelawny, I really need to make a comment on that matter. The commissioner spoke to the fact that what you saw was a combination of several agencies within the JCF. The Intel, Operation, CID played a critical role, as well as the Major Investigation Division. And I think maybe this is breaking news, that I'm going to let you know that the suspect is now in custody. He was taken in by his attorney a short while ago. Yes, that's a suspect. The suspect who we believe actually pulled the trigger.
Thank you very much, DCP. I think it also needs to be emphasized that this is barely a 24-hour investigation, and already we have made significant progress. It speaks to the quality of the investigation. It speaks to the improved investigative capacity within the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and we indeed commend the investigators on the ground. This is a very heinous act, but persons need to appreciate that you cannot get away with these things. Next question. We have other journalists who would like to ask a question, or should we go back to the text version of the questions, or the chat section? Sure. Is that Shamir?
Yeah, this is Shamir, bro. Mr. Bro?
Yes.
I would like to ask, because I would have heard the commissioner allude to the no-nonsense approach to dealing with the dispute situation regarding families. Is it being said, or is it being confirmed that the reason behind the murder is a family dispute?
All right, DCP?
Yes, I can confirm that it is a family dispute. Based on the investigation that we have done, there's no other reason. We know that there are other theories that are out there, but it is solely a family dispute. And as commissioners referenced earlier on, that we have had quite a few of these instances.